Voila. All right, so super kiki little curls right there. It is not as frizzy right there where I sprayed a lot of gel. The front is already falling where it was super cute before. I wonder if I put it back the other way when I had done it. No, okay, I did not. I need to spray gel just before I diffuse it, right there at the root. That's what I gotta do. I'm gonna go watch more of your video, but this is what I'm thinking. I put the anti-frizz and all over the hair, scrunch and stuff like that, and then I get out, and I should probably spray gel all over the roots, well, everywhere. The gel comes out a little bit streamed, not as streamed as the detangle and define. It comes out a little bit streamed, but not as much. I think you had told me I could use this as a finishing spray. I was hoping when it comes out, like, yeah, it's streamed. I think that's because you said it's thick. I kind of wish that it wasn't as streamed, although I like the hold level. Does that make sense? So now I feel like I should sit here for a second and let it kind of air dry a little. Probably not supposed to be touching it. I'm gonna get in trouble. You're gonna be like, don't touch it. Yeah, okay, see, so now I need to re-diffuse it. So I guess if I put the right amount on and then diffuse it correctly, I won't have this problem. That's what I'm thinking right now. It's bad, dangerous one, I think. I think I'm going to add some to the hairs, because that's what you said yesterday, be more, like, target it. See, so I'm going to put these curls. I'm supposed to be doing this in the diffuser. Put these curls in the diffuser, and then I'm going to diffuse it up like this. We'll see. All right. Okay, real fast. I did my makeup before I did my hair, so it had time to cast longer, but not as long. It didn't take me nearly as long to dry it. It was pretty dry. I held it in place really good. So I'm beautiful.